Hey, what's going on? How y'all like my beard coming in here? To get it white looking, you gotta be old. So check this out. I know you guys enjoying the first three training videos that I put up here on my YouTube channel. So you kind of wondering, well, when's he gonna do the fourth one? I'm getting ready to put the fourth one up. In fact, I'm working on 4, 5, 6, and 7. So those will be those gonna be uploaded. You're gonna see the fourth video up this evening, okay? And I hope you guys appreciated the first three. And there was some tips in there that I'm sure that you really appreciated before you get started on working on clients. Things you need to know. So if you really are finding this to be of value to you, helping you to get started in the side business of mobile headlight restoration, and then you look forward to more of my videos to get more tips and detailed training, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, okay? And give me some likes. It's very important that you give me some likes so that YouTube can continue to refer my channel for persons searching for this very field of mobile headlight restoration, and so they can benefit as well, okay? And in the process, you're helping me. So you're helping me to help others. And it's my pleasure to help you. Okay, so stay tuned. The fourth video of the mobile headlight restoration training will be uploaded this evening. Okay? Catch you next video. Enjoy the training.